Slow cooker barbecue chicken is perfect for no-fuss dinners, and it's a delicious, easy dish to take to your next potluck or picnic. In less than 3 hours, you'll have delicious, moist and tender barbecue chicken. We'll be dusting 2 pounds of chicken legs and chicken thighs with the dry rub, and then layering on barbecue sauce. Today I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. This is seriously the best crockpot barbecue chicken recipe, and it's super easy. It all starts with a dry rub that's quick to put together, and it gives the chicken a wonderful combination of flavors. It's a little sweet, a little bit spicy, and very tasty. First, let's make the dry barbecue rub. I'm using 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of ground black pepper, a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix the spices well. This is one of the best slow cooker recipes I have in my collection, and you're definitely going to want it in yours. Taste the rub and adjust the seasonings to your taste. I want a little sweeter rub, so I'll be adding another tablespoon of brown sugar. If you like it spicier, add more pepper, chili powder, or cayenne pepper. Oh, and I almost forgot. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Spray your crock pot with olive oil or cooking spray to make cleanup quick and easy. Today's recipe is listed in the description. Dust the chicken with the dry rub on all sides and start layering it into the slow cooker. We're using chicken legs and chicken thighs because they tend to stay more moist when cooking than chicken breasts, which are very lean and can easily dry out. This is the perfect way to make a lot of barbecue chicken for your family or for a crowd without having to keep your eye on it. Drizzle barbecue sauce over the chicken. Then use a basting brush or the back of a spoon to gently spread the sauce across the chicken. Okay, that's it. Don't be tempted to add any additional liquid to the slow cooker. As the chicken cooks, it will release some juices. Cover the slow cooker and cook on high for 2.5 to 3 hours until the chicken is cooked through or it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. After the chicken is done cooking in the slow cooker, I'll pop it into the broiler or onto the grill for a few minutes to crisp up the skin. I'll add a little more barbecue sauce on top and spread it around with a basting brush or the back of a spoon. Today I'm using the broiler set on high with the rack set about 3 inches from the flames. Watch the chicken closely so it doesn't burn. We have new videos every week. Subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we've posted a new one. We like to serve barbecue chicken all by itself with coleslaw, mac and cheese, and my boy's favorite berry cheesecake salad. It's also great shredded and used for barbecue chicken sandwiches, barbecue chicken salad, and barbecue chicken pizza. Here's another recipe I think you'll like, and check out our playlist for more potluck pleasers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.